Hello, this video is brought to you by Appliance Reliance. Today we are working on a KitchenAid side-by-side refrigerator with the fridge section not being as cool as it should. In most side-by-sides, freezer supplies all the cool air for the fridge section. This is the dampener control assembly. This allows all that cool air to enter the fridge section. The dampener control assembly will open and close depending on how much more cold air is required by the fridge to keep sufficient temperature. So you can kind of already understand what I'm trying to get at. If the dampener control assembly fails in the closed position, it will starve the fridge section of proper cold temperature. However, in our situation, dampener control assembly was fully operational. And after seeing a great frost pattern on the evaporator coil and the fans working, nothing made sense as to why the fridge was starved of good cold air. However, after about 30 minutes of observing the unit, a pattern seemed to emerge. It seemed like the evaporator fan had a mind of its own. It would turn on for a few minutes and turn off for 5 minutes. Turn on for a few more minutes and then turn off for 10 minutes. This inappropriate behavior could only be explained by a glitch in the control board, which is found behind the unit. Disconnect the power, remove the rear panel. Here will be one screw holding inverter board in. Take the screw out, remove the inverter board, and here, hidden away in the refrigerator liner, you will find the main control board. Removing 2 screws will release it from the casing, and then pulling the bottom out first will let you completely remove the control board from the refrigerator liner. After carefully inspecting the control board, we found where our glitch was coming from. Turn your attention to this capacitor circled in yellow. This capacitor has failed. When a capacitor bulges over or leaks, that means it's unable to hold proper voltage charge that's required. After installing the new control board, our issue was gone. Here's the exact replacement control board part number for this model. Please like and subscribe to be informed of our next projects.